Hello friends, so in this video we are going to discuss about the Oracle data types. Okay, so hope you have already familiar this word data types is, and in the previous programming language there is a most requirement of data type that organize the data which is really exist in a natural form. So there could be so many data in your around like numeric data, alphabetic data and decimal and fractional data. So this is the data which have its own feature that are organized in a data types. So what is data type do here? They organize and maintain in a uniform form in a database in the form of table, whereby you can easily understand what types of data you have and what types of data are stored in a column. Okay, so what is data type here? By definitions, data types are used to represent the nature of the data that can be stored in a database table. That means if you have a data of a roll number, if you have a data of a phone number, and if you have a employee name, a person name or a student name, so there is a two different data is there. So how you will maintain and how you will store it to maintain easily, to understand easily. So data types are used to organize for this all datas. Okay, so what is data type do here? They just classify your natural data that are really exist in the form of different way, like numeric data is there, alphabetical data is there, and fractional data is there, etc. So in a Oracle database there is a three categories of data. First is string data types, which will store the all strings of ASCII and Unicodes. Okay. Second is numeric data. They can only store the numeric data which are related to your numbers. And the third one is date and time data types, which will store only the format of date and time as well. Okay. So in this video we are going to discuss about a little what types of data type are in Oracle's maintain. Okay. So first is string data types. In a string data types categories, there is so many data types available for used. Okay, there is a char. We will discuss about later in the next video what is char and when we will use the char and what is the size of a char. Varchar2. Okay, varchar, nvarchar2, nchar. Okay, so these all data types are related to string data types. And when and why we will use these all data types and what is the difference between them, we will discuss in the next video, because it is not possible to discuss in this video because it will be very mix up and you will be not easily understand what types of data types are used and when it will be used. Okay, so we'll discuss separately one by one in the next videos. Okay, second category is numeric data types. So there is in a database available for store the number related data is number. This is a data type where the phone number, roll number, etc., employee ID, etc. will be stored. Float. This is a data type where floating point number are stored like a decimal, 2.5, 4.6, etc. Binary float is there for binary float and binary double is there for binary double. So what is the difference between float and binary float? We will discuss in the next video. Okay. And what is the binary double, when it will be used, it will be discussed in the next video one by one. Okay. Next is Oracle date and time data types. When you are going to store the date, we will use this date data type. And when we are going to store the date and time together, so we will use timestamps data type. Okay. And the last one is Oracle large object data type is there, LOB types. So there is some data types are available to store a big bunch of a data stored in a database, like in the form of a GB, 2 GB, 6 GB, 5 GB, etc. Okay, so we will use for that things the data types are available for blob, bfile, clob, nclob, raw and long. So what is the difference between them all and when it will be used easily and how to use in a table, we will discuss in the next video one by one. So it will be very more video will be recorded because we are going to discuss about this all data types in the different videos. Okay, I'm not going to just mix up them because we will be very get confused more. So we will discuss one by one what is the difference between char and nchar, what is the difference between varchar2 and varchar, okay, and what is the difference between nvarchar2 and varchar2, okay, what is the difference between float and binary float, okay. So these things will be happen in the next videos, okay. So just follow me and like my videos and subscribe my channel and share with your friends as well, okay. Have a nice day.